I used to have a cutter.
Okay, we're gonna make a YouTube video on how to make Spam Musubi.
No, this is
First, we already cooked
this is
the
the fun way.
spam
You pack
and the rice.
No, I always do this.
Now we
You
have
pack the rice in a spam can.
we're
Isang
packing
can.
the rice nice and
rice.
tight.
Tapos ang pack ng
And then,
it's like $10.
Boom, right there. Perfect. And then dip it.
Bam!
And then boom, put it on top of the rice, and then you put the second layer of the rice.
Eventually when it's done.
Yes.
And then just look.
Okay, now you have the second layer on top. He's gonna try to wrap it nice and tight. Watch the fingers.
Ito yung makapal na yung rice ah.
Alright.
Hindi ko ano eh, iba-iba bro eh. Minsan makapal, minsan
Kasi
eh.
dahil ano, pag yung mismo ano kasi nakikita mo yung ano niya dahil clear siya, di ba?
And then it will be handed to the cutter. See, the process right there is flawless right there. Now it's perfectly cut in half
So
with
we
the
have
professional
the bag for the ano.
Mr. Miles.
Hey, what's up? Subscribe my YouTube channel.
What is
And
it?
then-
You have to say it. You have to say it.
We have
What's the channel?
Jojo, the rapper.
Right?
I'm
He's
thinking
gonna-
my
More miles, more
He's
miles.
gonna,
He's gonna promote his channel first though.
now it's gently wrapped and packed
Sana na yung-
individually
sana yung
for
bag natin.
consumption.
For ano?